Okay people, it's Traci Reed here today, coming at you with an unboxing of a brand new collection I have releasing today. I'm so super duper excited about this collection. One of my favorite things to design are patriotic collections. The combination of red, white, and blue makes me super happy. Plus, there's so many different facets of the 4th of July and patriotism and all of our holidays that is just an endless stream of inspiration for me. However, this year, it's a rough year. You know, a lot of people are feeling hurt this year, and a lot of people are struggling. And I was really struggling myself this year to come up with a patriotic collection that felt authentic and true to the time that we are in and how a lot of us are feeling. So what I did was come up with a patriotic kit that is about standing up against injustice, standing up and marching or protesting, or you know, just the change in social conscience that we're having right now. And it truly is one of my favorite patriotic collections that I've ever made. I have several patriotic collections in the store. I love them so much. But this one really has my heart because the subject matter has had my heart for many years. So let's start the unboxing. There are 20 papers and patterned cards. There is a digital kit. There are 2 sets of journaling cards and a set of stickers as well. So let's start with the papers. Just a reminder, the papers always come in both 12 by 12 and traveler's notebook size. The 12 by 12 do not come on print sheets, but the traveler's notebook size come on printable PDF sheets. Also, it comes with, there are also the patterned cards, The patterned cards come in both 4x6 and in 3x4. These are the 4x6 size, obviously. They come on individual files and printable PDFs, and anything that has a very specific orientation, so like these hearts right here, on the printable sheets come in both horizontal and vertical orientation. All of the papers come in all the sizes, but on the print sheets, it only includes both if it has a very specific orientation. So let's look at the papers. I love this bold, beautiful blue that is in this collection. It is absolutely the perfect blue in my opinion, and it is a great background for this beautiful floral. There's a lot of wood grain touches in this collection as well. So we have a red and white chevron on this beautiful white wood. More wood here with this star or sunburst sort of feeling with all of the colors of the collection. So one thing about this collection, and it's interesting that this is the first time I've ever done this collection has pink in it, and I have never included a pink in a patriotic collection, so I'm super excited about the pink in this collection. It's really beautiful. Here is a nice, it's hard to tell on camera, but the grid is pink and blue. Nice blue Swiss dot here. I love this plaid. It's so bold and patriotic feeling. It has the red and the blue, of course, which are the boldest colors, but then there's also the pinks and the grays and the light blues in here as well. We have a paper with these star and pom-pom garlands, and it is on grid as well. This wonky blue and white stripe is also wood grain, a different wood grain than the other. I love this gradient paper. I'm really into gradients lately. So we've got this beautiful ombre on wood grain. Had to throw in a gray paper, so we've got this cute circle burst gray paper. Here are the multicolored hearts. I love this paper. It's so cute and dainty. Here is a larger dot on pink. You can see that the pinks are really fun in this collection, a really cool addition. You can see them all together. I love this rose floral on the wood grain. So there's two different florals. There's this rose one, which feels very Americana, and then this sort of calico floral as well. Two different looks here. Sort of a quilty star on wood grain. Some star firework bursts on that beautiful blue. Here are more stars. It's kind of blue and white with little tiny red stars in between. I really wanted to emphasize the blue in this collection, so it has a lot of it. Here is a buffalo plaid gingham. And then I love this stripe with the patterns and the stars as well. You can see all those beautiful colors playing together. Here is a different kind of stripe, a multicolored pin stripe. And then that heart again, but this time on red. And then in the 12 by 12 and the Traveler's Notebook papers, you get a solid for every color. So we've got red, 2 pinks, 4 blues, and a gray. They are textured solids, so it's not just like an untextured sheet of color. So in this collection as well, there are 2 sets of journaling cards. One is more sort of patriotic themed, more generalized, and then the other one is more March themed, more protest themed. So we have these 2 adorable 4x6s. Look at this great Americana patterned quilt style 4x6. And then we have the wood grain United States with the floral, and it says Land That I Love. There are 8 3x4s in this collection. So wood grain with Let Freedom Ring. Journaling card. One Nation, Indivisible. Another journaling card. This is the lyrics. It's actually a song that's not used as much as like the national anthem and stuff like that. It's America the Beautiful. It says, oh, beautiful for spacious skies, for amber waves of grain, for purple mountains' majesty, above the fruited plain, America, America, God shed his grace on thee and crown thy good with brotherhood from sea to shining sea. So you could cut this up and use it as word bits if you wanted to make a bigger statement than this card. I just was having fun with using a different sort of set of lyrics than what you normally find. I love this journaling card with these layered stars. They're so cute. Liberty and justice for all. And then the last journaling card in this set. And then the second set, I'm really proud of. They're fun, fun, fun. So we have this megaphone that says raise your voice. And then we have these raised fists that say, we are not free until everyone is free. So what I was really aiming for with this collection was to do a generalized sort of protest theme where I wasn't appropriating anything that wasn't like my story to tell. So these are going to be very generalized. You can use them for what's going on now. You can use them for the Women's March. You can use them for a lot of different things if you want to. So this says, never stop believing that fighting for what's right is worth it. It is worth it, which is a Hillary Clinton quote. And then we have, if you want peace, work for justice. Journaling card. I love this. It feels very Wonder Woman to me. I'm no longer accepting the things I cannot change. I'm changing the things I cannot accept, which is a quote by Angela Davis, who is a huge, wonderful activist. Here's another journaling card. Seek justice, love mercy, walk humbly, which is actually a quote from the Bible, Micah 6:8. Journaling card and journaling card. I thought Home of the Brave was perfect for what's going on right now. So those are the journaling cards in this collection. There is a set of stickers as well. There are 3 sheets of stickers in this collection. Yay. I love it when I can manage 3 sheets. So let me pull them all out. There is, of course, a sheet of the word art, and then there are 2 sheets of icons and titles. So this one says March. Oh, we're missing, March. We're missing the M. Where did it go? Oh, it's here somewhere. We've got peaceful protest. There is a bunch of these fun chevron arrows and a lot of little florals as well. There's these little cute calico florals, and then there are also the big rose florals as well. Here are the 2 banners. Oh, there's the M. I found it. Come back. And it disappeared again. Oh, found it. Hooray. There we go. March. And then I'm going to put all of these little chevrons out, so you can use them as arrows on your layouts. And then we've got some labels. This one has fists on it, and there are some that are patterned around the edges. We've got a couple of banners. We will change the world. Fight for everyone's rights. Okay, there are some funny things, because you know I can't do a collection without some funny stuff. So this says, oh my goodness, this says so bad, even the introverts are here. March with the American flag. This says, this is everyone's fight. Here's one of the roses. There's a bunch of those. And then of course there are, you can't have a 2020 collection without face masks. So there are 2 face masks in this collection. One is the American flag, and one is more or less patriotic for those of you who are not in the US and happen to want to use this sort of collection. Here is Better Together. There are a bunch of these layered stars as well. Here's another flower. It says, sorry for the inconvenience. We're trying to change the world. Some more flowers. This one I really love. It is, in this house we believe Black Lives Matter, women's rights are human's rights, no human is illegal, science is real, love is love, water is life, kindness is everything, and injustice everywhere is a threat to justice everywhere. And this tag is house-shaped. Some more of these. You know, all these florals you get. Everybody loves a good flower sticker. Okay, I love a good flower sticker. Lots and lots of flowers. And lots of stars as well. So let's pull some of those out. We got circular stars, more layered stars. So lots of icons for you to decorate your pages with in this collection. Here's another journaling label. And remember, all of my collections come with fussy cutting lines or silhouette lines if you have a silhouette cutting machine to make it easy on you. Here are some patterned hearts and a couple more. Some titles. This one says always an ally. And then we've got a raised fist, an Americana, of course. My goodness, everything looks so crooked. Let's fix that. All right, that's better. Okay, this one says no justice, no peace. We've got 2 tags. One is patterned and the other is for journaling. Together we march. Goodness, everything's so spread out. Another star. and then an American flag flare. We've got a hand holding a protest sign that you can add your journaling to, or you can add a title to. Goodness, we have run out of room. Good thing we only have a couple more things left. American flag. This is a patriotic kit after all. Megaphone. Stand in solidarity. Your voice matters. Did I zoom in? Maybe that's a problem. Oh, yay. Haha. Your voice matters. Little journaling label with the roses. And then a few more word bits. We've got a quote bubble with a quote by Ruth Bader Ginsburg that says, "Fight for things that you care about, but do it in a way that will lead others to join you." Don't despair, organize. Open heart, open mind. Making the news. Be a good ally. This moment matters. There we go. I've got your back. And I march for those who cannot. So those are all the stickers that come in this collection. Again, there are 3 full sheets of stickers and a lot going on here. Everything you could want to scrapbook a page. Also, we have a digital kit that has a lot of different embellishments, not just the same ones, although I do include some of the same embellishments just done in a different digital style. So we've got the florals in the digital kit that are glittery or puffy sticker. We've got the protest sign that says "Stand in Solidarity" on it. The United States map is wood veneer, as is the American flag, the quilt American flag. There are lots of titles in the digital kit. There's a full digital alphabet, 3 of them actually. Lots of flair and flowers and all the stuff that everyone loves to have in their digital kits. You can also purchase the 12 by 12 papers separately. So that is it for this collection. If you are watching this as it debuts on the 4th of July weekend 2020, my whole store is 35% off, both at Sweet Shop Designs and at tracireed.com. Sweet Shop Designs, the discount is taken off automatically. At tracireed.com, you can use the coupon RWB35 through Tuesday to get 35% off this collection and everything else in my store. So that is awesome. You might want to race over there if you've been eyeing some stuff. The coupon code is posted in the store as well. If you enjoyed this video, I'd love it if you give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. I'd love to have you. And if you don't already, you can follow me over on Instagram. I'm at Traci M. Reed. And you can sign up for my newsletter at tracireed.com to be notified of all the new products and sales that will come your way. All right, thank you.